나는 바닷가를 놀라요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is 놀라요. Because today, we're going to study about the word Nolda. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 131. Nolda. Nolda. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is nol, the second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Nolda. Nolda. The word nolda is another Korean root verb which means to play. Again, this is the verb which means to play. How do we spell nolda in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable nol in Hangul, we need to draw first a neon character, followed by an old character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a diktat character, followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word nolda. Again, that's how you write nolda in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word nolda, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I play badak. The Korean translation of this sentence is, 나는 바닥을 놀라요. Again, 나는 바닥을 놀라요. The first part of the sentence is 나는, which is the subject. We already know that na means I, and nun is just a subject particle. So, the whole word 나는 means I, and it serves as the subject of the sentence. The second part of the sentence is badak. If you're familiar with the Korean drama entitled Reply 1988, you will be familiar with this game. So, badak is a name for a game. This is actually translated as go in English. So, for this sentence, badak is the object. And we just added ul as object particle. For the third part of the sentence is nolayo. And this is just the present tense form of our word for the day, which is nolda. How is nolda transformed into nolayo? We'll be using the usual method. So we'll start with the root verb nolda, which means to play, and then we will remove da to leave behind nol. And since the ending vowel sound of nol is a or o, we'll be adding ayo. So nol plus ayo is nolayo. So nolayo is the present tense form of our word for the day, which is nolda. Just a quick recap. 나는 means I, badak is a name of a game, and nolayo means to play. And this combined would result to a sentence that means I play, go. If we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 나는 바닥을 놀라요 is simply I play badak. And with that, you've just learned nolda. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 121 to 130. But don't forget that our word for today is word number 131, nolda. This is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is apayo, and this is a semi-formal way of saying it hurts. Word number 129 is chalchayo. This is a standard or polite way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is uri. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Word number 127 is uyu, and this is the Korean noun for milk. Word number 126 is sada, and this is the Korean verb which means to buy. Word number 125 is yocha, and this is the Korean noun for woman. Word number 124 is namja, and this is the Korean noun for man. Word number 123 is chada, and this is a Korean verb which means to sleep. Word number 122 is himne, and this is an informal way of saying cheer up. And the last for our review is word number 121, jebal, and this is used to say please. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.